A very good morning to all my students. Today I am giving a revision of Unseen Passage and article writing to you for your test on 19. So please be ready. First of all, I am reading the passage. It was a passage about a little girl. I was born in a small but beautiful mountain village of Nakuri near Uttarakashi in Gharwal with the gurgling, playful Bhagirathi river flowing nearby. My parents were hardworking and extremely self-contained couple. Even though our family was poor, barely managing the essentials, my father taught us how to live and maintain dignity and self-respect, the most treasured family value till today. At the same time, my parents also practice the creed. Kindness is the essence of all religion. They are large-hearted, inviting village folk passing by to have the tea at our home and gave grain to the sadhus and pandits who came to our house. This characteristics has been ingrained in me so deeply that I am able to reach out to others and make a difference in their lives, whether it is my home or in society or at workplace. I was the third child in the family, girl and boy in that order. पहले उनका लड़की थी, फिर लड़का, फिर लड़की, in that order, and quite a rebel. I developed a tendency to ask questions and not satisfied with the customary way of life for a girl child. When I found my elder brother Bachchan encouraging our youngest brother Raju to take up mountaineering, I thought, why not me? I found that my brothers were always getting preferential treatment and all options were open to them. सारी opportunities लड़कों के लिए खुली हुई थी, पर लड़कियों के लिए कोई opportunity खुली हुई नहीं थी. This made me even more determined to not only do what the boys. इसने मुझे यही शिक्षा दी कि मुझे सिर्फ वही काम नहीं करना जो लड़के करते हैं, but do better. मुझे लड़कों से ज़्यादा अच्छा काम करना है. The general thinking of mountain people was that mountaineering as a sport was not for them. They considered themselves to be born mountaineers as they had to go up and down mountain slope for their daily livelihood and even for routine work. On the other hand, as a student, I would look curiously at foreign backpackers passing by my village and wonder where they were going. I would not even invite them to my house and talk to them to learn more about their travels. The full significance of this came to me later when I started working. The foreigners took the trouble to come all the way to the Himalayas in order to educate themselves on social, cultural, scientific aspects of mountaineering as well as to seek peace in nature's gigantic scheme of थिंग्स. सो ये जो है आपका पहाड़ों के बारे में है, हाउ द फॉरनर्स एजुकेट देमसेल्स, ये सब उन्होंने आपको हिमालयस के बारे में दिस द ऑथर वांट्स टू टेल. नाउ इसके बेसिस पे आपके क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं. द ऑथर का बर्थ कहाँ पे हुआ था? नकूरी नियर उत्तराकाशी इन गढ़वाल. What was treasure value of the author's family? Maintaining dignity, self-respect despite poverty. What kind of girl was the author? A rebel type of girl. रेबल, उसके अंदर रेबल टाइप बहुत था, मीन्स वो आक्रोश अपना बहुत प्रकट करती थी. द ऑथर्स यंगेस्ट ब्रदर वॉज इनकरेज टू टेक अप माउंटेनरिंग. विच वर्ड इन द पैरा वन मीन्स प्रीशियस मीन्स ट्रेजर्ड. which word in the para 2 in the antonym of obedient and rebel. इसका सिनोनिम देखा है, इसका एंटोनिम बताया है. ठीक है. नाउ द पासर्स बाय वर इन्वाइटेड बाय द ऑथर्स फैमिली को क्या देते थे? टी, हैविंग टी. साधुज और बेगर्स हु विजिटेड द ऑथर होम वर गिवन ग्रेन. येस, ट्रू. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द पैसेज. ऐसे ही मैं आपको कल एक पैसेज दूंगी और आपने उसको कंप्लीट करना होगा. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.